Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to do a marble underglaze with shaving cream. So first you take your shaving cream, maybe shake it up a little bit. And then you're going to want to take your rib and smooth out the shaving cream. As I made sure that it was tall enough to fit my pot, because you're going to want to roll it once you get your underglaze on there. Alright, so now I'm going to use my needle tool to kind of mix around the underglaze and make some fun patterns. We have to remember that we have to do this on a laminate surface. That way it doesn't make a mess on the wedging tables and it's just easier all around. And also be mindful of how much underglaze you use, because if you use too much, then that's not good for the studio, because then nobody else has any to use. So yep, just swirl it around. You can make little stripes. Just fun little patterns. And you'll want to take your pot, put it in the shaving cream, and roll it. You'll want to cover as much of that surface as you can, and you can always go back over. And the nice part about this too is that you can reuse shaving cream and underglaze if you have some left over, so that's always a good thing to keep in mind. Alright, so now we're going to wash off the marbled pot. And it will be a little bit slippery due to the shaving cream, so just be careful of that when you're holding onto your pot.